Children, today we shall be doing exercise 18.1. So open your grammar books at page number 92. Let us start doing it. Fill in the blanks with the correct form, simple present tense of the verbs given in brackets. So what we have to use is the simple present tense, children. Simple present tense means you have to use the first form of the verb. But you must have noticed, children, somewhere we use es also with the first form of the verb. जब पहली वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगाते हैं, कभी कभी हम SES भी लगाते हैं. तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू लर्न कि कहाँ पे हमने S लगाना है और कहाँ पे हमने SES नहीं लगाना है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम डज नॉट, डू नॉट वगैरह लगाते हैं और कहाँ कहाँ ये कब लगेंगे. लेट अस लर्न एंड स्पीक आफ्टर मी ऑल्सो, चिल्ड्रन. सो speak after me. For the simple present tense, we use the first form of the verb. No is or am, no has have, nothing. Simple present time, when it is simple present, what we use? Only the first form of the verb. So, I eat. Speak after me. You eat. They eat. We eat. She eats. He eats. It eats. With the third person singular, we use S, eats. With I, with you, with they, with plurals, we do not use S. Simple first form. But when there is singular, verb is singular, then we use S. जब काम करने वाला एक होता है, एक, तो S लगता है. She ने eat करना है, she eats. He eats, it eats. So इन्हीं का ही जब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं, चिल्ड्रन, हम I not eat तो बोलेंगे नहीं, तो we take do does from the verb itself. नेगेटिव में क्या यूज करेंगे? Do not and does not. I do not eat. You do not eat. They do not eat. We do not eat. She does not eat. ये वाला S जो है do के साथ लग गया और यहाँ पे फिर S खत्म हो जाता है. She does not eat, he does not eat, it does not eat. Does not और do not का abbreviation shortened form is doesn't and don't. These are the short. Does not we can write doesn't. Do not we can write don't. Okay. In the interrogative form, do I eat? क्वेश्चन बनाना है तो यू डू आई ईट का बन जाएगा डू आई ईट. सिंपल प्रेजेंट. यू ईट का क्वेश्चन बनेगा डू यू ईट. इज आर एम वॉज वर कुछ नहीं यूज होना. ये ईट में से ही डू आ गया बाहर. यू ईट, डू यू ईट, डू दे ईट, डू वी ईट. और ही शीट का ये जो एस है वो डू के साथ लग गया. ये डज शी ईट, डज ही ईट, does it eat. These are the interrogative. So children, let us start doing the exercise. Parikshit usually plays because Parikshit he है singular. They do not live near the park. What does he want? He question है तो does. He के साथ does. Jimmy does not do his work. Where do you work? My mom teaches. Singular है तो teaches. Who comes to school by bus? Who को हम सिंगुलर मानेंगे जब दिया ही नहीं हुआ कि कौन हु है, तो इट इज सिंगुलर. आशिमा हेल्प्स. वाटर बॉइल्स. ये एस, these all these S are very important. Write them very carefully. What do you के साथ है what do you do. यहाँ पे do जो है मेन वर्ब है do. We don't know his name. I like to stay. I है तो like, कोई SES नहीं. He sometimes goes. इस वर्ब के साथ S लगाना है. Sometimes एडवर्ब है, ये तो वैसे मीनिंग sometimes तो goes. How do you get there? The earth revolves. My mother leaves. If you finish, अब S नहीं आएगा you के साथ. My uncle sends. Fortune favors. Singular. She goes. A very long story does not interest. Lions do not live. प्लूरल आ गया तो do not. then in the same way you have to do these two also. Thank you, children.